Hare Krishna. 12th Vadantya Pranadhikarana or Antima Pranadhikarana, Sutras 28 to 31. In Advaita it is called as Pratardhana Adhikarana. In this Adhikarana, Prana word is coordinated in Brahma, the Vishnu. In previous Pranadhikarana Sutra 23, the Taittiriya sentence is coordinated into Brahman, the Vishnu. Now in this Adhikarana, Aitariya sentence is being coordinated into Brahman, the Vishnu. So here that we will have this. We already had studied. Prana Shabda Samanvaya is done with Brahman, the Vishnu. Tadaitvam Prana Ha. Tadvaitvam Prana Ha. Taittiriya Sruti says the Prana, breath is Brahman, Vishnu. As because Sripatitva and Lakshmipatitva sentences are there with Niravakasha Lingas. So that we have studied this Adhikarana. Here now we will go for Sangati Panchakas. Anyatra Prasiddha, famous elsewhere Prananama, recognized with air god, breath. This word is coordinated into Lord Vishnu, the Brahman, as such Antarbhava Rupa, Shastra, Adhyaya and Pada Sangatis are included. In Shruti sentence, Prana word is referred to Brahman, the Vishnu. A doubt is raised to this statement by saying Anandamayatva is with Prana because Mahabhogatva is proved with him. And ultimately the doubt is clarified to prove that the Prana word denotes none other than Brahman, the Vishnu only. And also, argument is taken with several Shruti Linga sentences and finally proved thus Apavadiki Rupa, Adhikarana and Shruti Sangatis are included. So this Sangati Panchakas are included. And now we will go for subject, doubt and arguments etc. in this Pranadhikarana, Antima Pranadhikarana. Subject, discussion on Aitariya Shruti sentence, Prana is the subject here. Aitariya Shruti, discussion. 2. Prana. Doubt, Prana is referring to the Supreme Lord Vishnu, the Brahman, or the existing Vayu, the air god, the breath god, like that. That is a doubt. Argument, the Purva Paksha. Prana means the existing Vayu, the air god, the breath god only. Because the Prana word is famous with air god, the breath god. He may be even Indra also, soul also, like that, because there is more supporting sentences are there, Suti sentences are there. While sage Vishwamitra chanting Bruhati Sahasra, Indra appeared before him and told that I am Brahman. I am that Brahman. In this chapter, 100 years of total life achievement, provision, Sadharana Dharma is mentioned for Jivas, the souls. So Jiva is the Prana also. In day-to-day life, Prana means the breath god. Thus, Prana means the breath god and none other less, and no one else. Moreover, in this chapter, Prana, the breath god, is discussing with Indriyas also. With this Indriyas also. Sensory organs. So, final result what is that? Vamadeva Rishi declared, I am Manu, I am Sun God, as in reference to the Shastra, the inner guide. In the same way, Indra declared to Vishwamitra as I am Prana, breath god, Shastra Drishtyatu Upadeshaha. 100 years of span of life the human is supposed to live, in which he will be spending 36,000 days of time. This 36,000 will denote the letters of Brihati Sahasra. This lifespan of 100 years is the special provision, Asadharana Dharma, for achievements. This is the grant of Brahman to the sadhakas, the achievers. Brahman is Mukhya Prana because he is energizing the Pranadeva, the breath god also. Then the conclusion, Prana word is referring to Vishnu, the Brahman only. Brahman is praised in Taittiriya and Aitariya as Prana. In both Upanishads he is praised as Prana. So Brahman is Prana, Mukhya Prana. No soul, no Indra, nobody else is Prana. Important. For human, only performing Bahya Puja, worshipping the idols outside, is not sufficient. One has to meditate upon the Brahman within the heart. within the Hridaya Guha. This is called as Bimbopasana, meditating upon the Lord Brahman within. Yogis will tell like that only. Yoga Siddhanta tells like that, to meditate upon the Lord, the Bimbarupi within our heart. The Pratardhanadikarana, in Advaita Bhashya, this Antima Pranadikarana is called as Pratardhanadikarana. Even in Visishtadvaita Bhashya also, to some extent, it is called as Pratardhanadikarana. Pratardhana, the son of Devodasa, occupied the Swargaloka by force. Then the discussion between the Indra and Pratardhana is taken up by Advaita and Visishtadvaita commentators. Of course, the final result ends in Advaita as usual, self is Brahman, Aham Brahmasmi. But it is not so. Brahman is supreme reality and soul is dependent reality with limited powers. So this is the end of 12th Adhikarana, Padante, Padhadikarana, Pranadikarana, Sutras 29 to 31st. And this is also end of the Prathama Pada of first Adhyaya. Hare Srinivasa, Hare Krishna.